Hey, is this your notebook?
Oh, you found it. I've been looking for that.
I thought it might belong to you.
There was this drawing of the fountain and a note that said, "Find me." Not a game, exactly.
I wasn't sure if it was a game or something.
It's more of a challenge I set for myself. I like drawing things around the park and leaving little clues in my notebooks. But I didn't expect someone else to find it before I came back.
A challenge, huh? So, what's the next part?
The idea was to sketch something hidden in plain sight, something no one notices unless they really look.
Like that stone over there.
See, it's part of the fountain's design, but most people walk right past it.
Huh, I never noticed that before. You're right.
There's always more to see if you look closely. So, now that you've found my notebook, do you want to help with the rest of the challenge?
Sure. What's the next step?
We're going to find something else no one notices and sketch it. Then we'll hide a clue about it in the notebook for someone else to discover.
I'm not much of an artist, but this sounds fun.
There, look at that small, chipped piece of wood near the bench. It's part of the structure, but no one ever notices it unless they're paying close attention.
Yeah, it's barely noticeable. This is kind of calming.
That's what I love about it. Drawing makes me slow down and really notice things. Can you find the hidden bench? Look closely. Now, we'll leave it somewhere else for the next person to find.
This is actually pretty cool. Do you do this kind of thing a lot?
I like the idea that someone might stumble upon a puzzle and see the world a little differently, even if just for a moment.
I like that idea too. Makes everything feel a bit more magical.
I never asked what's your name.
Max, and you're Lily, right?
Right. Well, Max, thanks for playing along with my little challenge today.
Maybe we'll run into each other again.
Maybe, or maybe you'll find another notebook.
This park feels different now. Like there are hidden secrets everywhere, waiting to be uncovered.
And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more language tips and lessons. Also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, see you next time, bye for now, and keep practicing.